Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Google credentials in self-hosted n8n. First, go to the Google Cloud Console and log in to your account. Now, click Select Project and create a new one for n8n. Navigate to API and Services and select Credentials. Click Create Credentials, select OAuth Client ID and select Web Application. Add your authorized redirect URI as https://your-n8n-domain/rest/oauth2-credential/callback. Then, add any other redirect URI if you plan to use multiple environments. Save your credentials, copy the client ID and client secret. Enable the required API like Google Drive API or Gmail API for your project. After that, open your n8n dashboard and go to Credentials. Now, select New and choose Google. Paste your client ID and client secret in the respective fields. Here, click Connect, and a browser window will open to authorize your Google account. Once authorized, click Save, and your Google credentials will be ready to use in workflows. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.